Beautiful people, welcome to my channel. In case you're new here, hi, my name is Chidima of Nolan Beauty Empire. You are highly welcome. On this channel, I create tips and tricks how to create amazing and realistic braided wigs. So feel free to subscribe and join this family. And for you, my old subscribers, thank you for coming back. Thank you for clicking, okay? So guys, on today's video, I want to show you how I made this trending hairstyle called Koroba. This hairstyle has been an internet sensation. It has been trending on internet, and today I want to show you how to create it into a wig. And please stay tuned to the end to see how I created this masterpiece in a wig and how it looks like on my head. So guys, obviously you can see that I am using a fullest wig to create this style. As you can see that this Koroba hair comes in different style, different design, depending on what you want to do. And this is the design I chose to make. You can make any design of your choice. You can make individual braids and then you roll or coil the braids. So I'm going to quickly show you how I designed the hair, which I'm not going to emphasize more on the design or the foundation, yeah, because you can do any type, anyhow you want it. It's very creative and practical hairstyle, and you can switch your style depending on what you want, depending on how you want it. After designing the hair, the design I want to do, after making the design, I will come back again and talk to you guys so that I will tell you what I did next. So guys, this is what my design looks like. So the next step is to start the Koroba pattern. So to start the pattern, I'm going to tie a knot. I'm going to tie a knot at the end or the tip of the braid like this. After tying the knot, I will start rolling whatever that is left after the knot, and I roll everything together to form a tire or a circle. As I'm rolling it, I am sewing it down with my needle and thread so that it will be in place, and that will be your starting point or something to start the rolling with. I don't know why it is called Koroba. I don't know, but I know that it's the reason for that name, which I don't. I did not go and find out. I just jump into this trend and I like the hairstyle. And I believe this is hairstyle our ancestors were wearing. And I'm so proud that we are now embracing our identity. Yeah. I know this hairstyle, if people made this hairstyle 5 or 10 years back, they might be looked at as archaic or old fashioned. But now, all those things that we consider old fashioned and archaic are what we're embracing now, and I'm super happy while creating this hairstyle. I have fun creating this hairstyle, and I'm so happy that we are unveiling or we are going back to our roots. Okay, and even if you don't want to make it on your own head, it can still be created in a wig for my wig girlies like me. I like wearing wig. That's why I'm creating mine in a wig. So feel free to order your wig if you're interested in any of these styles I'll be showing on this channel, or if you have any other style in mind, you can tag me or you can send me the picture. If it's something I can come and create here for you guys, I'll create. If you want to order any style, you can send it to me and I will recreate it. So guys, I'm starting from the front. As you can see, obviously there's a design I want to make in front. I want the front to be like two tires facing each other but apart from each other. They're not going to meet each other or touch each other at the middle. That is how I'm creating it. Depending on the style, like I said, depending on the style or part how you want your own. So for me to separate these two tires in the middle, I'm going to show you what I did. After sewing it down, after sewing this first tire, the first middle tire, I'm going to attach it to the next braid to it, the next two braids to close to it, so that it will help to stretch the hair out or remove the hair from the middle, so that it will not touch the other circle by the time I finish the other circle by the other side by the time I finish sewing the tires or the circles. I don't know if this is making sense, but with this video you will understand what I'm trying to explain here. Please stay tuned and keep watching. I will come back again and talk to you guys. I'm going to do it again so that if you didn't get it the first time, you'll get it this time. As I said, tie a knot at the tip or end of the braid like this. Either you roll everything together or whatever that is left, you wrap it around the knot. Whatever that is left after tying the knot, the tiny part that is left after tying the knot, you wrap it around the knot, then you start rolling it on the braids like so, as if you are forming a circle or a tire. And as you're doing that, make sure you are sewing it with your needle and thread so that they'll not go and scatter at the end of the day. They will keep it in space and in place and remain tight throughout whatever or whenever you want to take it down. So for the back parts, I want the braids there to be long. And another tip I want to tell in case I forget, let me not forget, sorry. If you want your tire to be good or small, is determinant of how long your braids or the length of the braids. If you want thick tires, thick circles, make your braids to be longer. But at least use cut too. For this braids, for this style, this hair, I cut my braiding hair into two, so to make the hair longer. So I see that the tires are thick the way I want it. If you want it thicker, I can make your braids longer or thicker. I don't know if I'm still making sense, but I'm just telling you, if you want thick, don't do short, don't make it short, so that you know you will get the desired koroba or the tires you want. So this is me making the other circle in the front, the two circle or two tires in front. I have done the other side first. I'm going to show you how I made this. The same thing I did on the other side. After rolling the circles, you attach it to the next two braids close to it, so that it will set the two tires aside from meeting each other or from touching each other, so that they will rest on your forehead separately or individually. Yeah. So guys, I hope you guys understood this tutorial. If there is anything you're not did not get clear, please don't hesitate to ask your question in the comment section. I will be there to answer your questions. And at this point, you can go ahead and wear it this way, or put it in hot water, but I chose to put it in hot because I want the braids to relax. Once you put hair in hot water, try this Koroba, it will relax more and be free and flexible. So I want it to be flexible, free and relaxed. And this is the end result. I'm going to show you the installation in this video shortly, so you see what it looks like on my head. Yeah guys, welcome back. So I'm going to quickly show you how I installed the hair. It's a glueless wig. So this is what the hair looks like out from the canvas head or mannequin head. As you can see, it has a adjustable strap. I adjusted it to suit me because this is a little bit bigger than me. This is size 22 while I wear size 21. I went off camera to cut off the excess lace, so I'm going to show you how I put it on. As you can see, I did not add any glue, just put it on and it sits perfectly. So guys, let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you think about this hairstyle. Is this something you would like to try? Do you like this hairstyle? Because this hairstyle has been causing a lot of debates on social media. Like I said, some say they don't like it, some say they like it. Like I said, they said that for you to make this hairstyle, you have to be pretty. Is it true? As you can see, I'm feeling myself. I'm loving this hairstyle so much. It's screaming Mama Africa. Just give me a name in the comment section. What name can you call me wearing this hair? When you see me wearing this wig, what name can you call me? Let me know in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope to see you all in my next video. And before then, please remain blessed and stay fabulous. Bye bye.